something to learn from. Hopefully you guys had a great day, and thank you for watching my video. So let's review some of the stocks. Uh, First trade of the day was NVIDIA, NVDA. Let's pull up the chart on here. So first, let's take a look at what I was looking on the daily chart, right? NVIDIA is a name which has been uh, pretty well known among traders in the past couple of months. I'll take a look. I'll show you the daily chart on here. So look at this. It had a big parabolic moves, right? It went from 80 bucks. Actually, 2016 was just humongous for this stock. Um, this was the day when pretty much all the traders out there were looking at it. Now, with this stock today, it had a small gap down, and I was looking for an opportunity to see if it can actually uh, try to go lower, right? And try to short the stock. One major mistake which I did on Nvidia was I didn't really try to play the confirmation. Um, let's take a look what I mean by that. So I sold it at 941 for 103.82. I'll show you where exactly was the entry at 941. So when I saw this stock, it was somewhere over here. And my understanding was, you know what? If I was gonna short this stock, I want the stock to actually hold the highs over here, the high of 104. I was actually looking at the 1 minute chart. Let me pull out the 1 minute chart, which is gonna make you things a bit more clearer. Uh, okay, so here was it. At the 1 minute chart, it had a big down move. It had an up move. It actually came down. And once I saw this pullback, my thought process was, you know what? If this stock actually popped back up after this down move, it should actually start continuing to go down, right? That's one of the reasons why at 941 I actually took a short position on here, trying to see if this moving average to hold. And if the stock is really weak, it should come back to the moving averages and hopefully it should start going down. So that didn't really happen. So when I shorted it, it was down here. It actually popped back, right back. Let me just take a look at this one. So I shorted 103.82. Had to buy it back at 104.56, right? Um, so big down move, pull back, hoping for it for a continuation down here, which didn't really happen. It actually popped back right up and stopped me out, right? So that was one trade which I lost about $77 on it. No big deal. Trading 100 shares, not really gonna kill me on there. The other stock which came on my radar was IDXG. Let's pull a chart. Now this chart was super interesting. A lot of momentum in it. There's a whole bunch of stocks going on during the day. This is one of the ones which I thought, you know what, this might be the potential where it might actually have to go at it. So let's take a look at my entries on here. Trade at 948, actually 947, then trade at 1201. One thing that you will really see, I'm really a fast trader, right? I mean, if there is an opportunity for me to go in, I'm gonna go in and get out fast. I want to make the money fast. There's no point in sitting around, waiting around. One of the reasons why you see me is bought 500 shares, then sold 250 right away, 100 right away, and had a bit of the weight over here. The whole reason being is the stock got halted. Stock gets halted, you know what? There's nothing you can do about it. So once it got unhalted is when I quickly had the opportunity to get out. Was a bit of a mistake, but you know what? I'll share more. Then again, back at so let's review the first trade at 947. Right, what I was looking at. Um, so let's see. Here is where it is. So this stock looks like it had some movement at 9:30. It's pretty spotty in the 1 minute chart. I'm not sure why is that, but could be because of the data on here from Finviz. So this stock had a big move on. Of course, there was this stock that you can't trade. This one is to. Sorry, I was actually trading over here. When this stock had a move, let's see if we can see the prices on here. Irrespective of the price, let's just take a look at this. So we had a move, an up move, right? This could be the first small pullback and buy at the highs for a big pop. Once I saw the stock was actually trending, what I did was I went in on this 947 candle, right, which is where my entry was, the 947. Bought at 644. This is gonna make it a bit more clear. Just give me a second. Okay, so here it is. So 947 was my entry on here. So my intention was to buy it over the highs of this over here at 9. I was looking at this 650 level, but once I saw this up move going back up, is when I quickly sold it on the next candle. Stock got halted for a few minutes, right? That's where when it stock open, I quickly bailed out on here. I don't really know what's going on what's going on with the stock again, so I quickly bailed out. Stock actually had another big move all the way from $6 to $9. I was watching it again, right? Uh, so this move, I wasn't able to play it. I do have another commitments other than trading, which so I didn't really trade this stock. But if you see, the stock got halted all over again, which is rid of, uh, it's being a low flow stock, getting halted all the time. It's not the best way to trade it, but it is what it is. Now, when I came back on the screen and see, you know what, this stock is actually holding up. And see if there's another opportunity for me to get back in, which is when I got in at 1201. So if you look at the 1201, is exactly at this 1201. I got in at this very candle. I got so the low on this candle, let's see, was 1167. I got 1170, so I was only 3 cents off it, right? Just when I entered, boom, it had a big move up, and my target was really the highs of the day, which is near the 1250, 1230, whatever the level this is. Once it popped back up over there, I quickly bailed out and called it a day. So if the stock is really trending, if you're actually sitting in front of the screen, you'll see a lot of opportunities in this stock, right? Uh, First is this move. You have a big move up here, a consolidation. Um, so this move up from $6 to 9, pullback. This would be for a pullback trader to get in right over here. Once the stock goes up, another pullback. Um, so this is the way to trade it, right? I mean, it gives you a lot of opportunities. If you're looking at this name, there's really no reason for you to be wrong on this name. Going back to NVDA, one mistake which I did was after trading IDXG, I didn't really go back to NVIDIA, but if I look at the charts um, after the end of the day, let me show you the 5-minute charts on here. If I had a close look on it, the chart, look at this chart. It had a big pop from 104 when it got stopped me out, and it actually came back right down to 103, and from 103 it went all the way to 100, right? A 3-point drop. So if you have 100 shares, 3-point drop is $3, $300. So that's it for the day, guys. Pretty positive for the day. $313. Nothing much. Trading a small trading account. Trying to build it up slowly and surely. Hopefully, you guys like my video. Give me a follow on Twitter or stock tweets at Watchlist Stock. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel and give me a like on YouTube. Adios.